Today you've heard of me REALME C25s, and I'll show you the fingerprint unlock test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago I set up here my face recognition, and as can you see I can unblock now with my face. I can unblock otherwise. So now I'll make a 5 of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast and how useful this feature is on our REALME C25s. So let's start. We'll check if I'm sitting in a good position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock method works really fast. So I can unlock the device I think less than in 1 second. So that's really after unlock of the device. So if you don't like some methods like the pattern or pin codes, so you can try and use the face unlock test on our REALME C25s. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.